In this tutorial, we will cover the contrast category. This category includes brushes designed to flatten or smooth the mesh. First is the Fill Deepen brush. This brush is helpful for filling gaps or holes in the mesh, as you can see here. It's useful when you want to fill uneven areas during the sculpting process. Next is the Flatten brush. This brush allows you to create a flat surface by leveling the mesh to a certain height. Then we have the Plateau brush. It's similar to the Flatten brush, but spreads the flattening effect across a wider area. As you can see, it works more strongly than the Flatten brush, making it ideal for leveling larger sections. Now let's talk about the Scrape Multiplane brush. When you stroke with this brush, it considers the surfaces on both sides of the stroke and creates a boundary edge. It's great for emphasizing edges in your sculpt. Next is the Scrape Fill brush. This brush also helps flatten the mesh. Personally, I find it easier to handle compared to the flat brush. You can quickly create flat surfaces by alternating strokes while holding a control key. Then there's the Smooth brush. This might be the most frequently used brush in sculpting. It smooths out the area you stroke. Although you typically use it by holding down the Shift key, if you want to adjust the brush strength, you'll need to select the Smooth brush directly and change its strength setting. And finally, we have the Trim brush. As the name suggests, it removes parts of the mesh where you stroke. It's ideal for making bold changes to your model or for roughing out a shape. In this tutorial, we've introduced brushes from the contrast category. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a like.